Okay, Nevada Virtual Proficiency Exam, getting ready for it. Problem number 128. 3D figure here. Most likely you will be able to find the answer to this type of problems without any difficulties. There are many approaches you can use here. You can go in, any way you would like if you want to start by counting, how many unit squares you have here, one by one. You can go that way. You may get lost. However, you may try a different approach. Maybe the best one will be to think about, um, like projecting this object from each one of its or in the 3 dimensions, right? Projecting on the horizontal x, y. It's like, think about if you go with the 3D, three-dimensional space where you have, let's say, x, y, and z, and you're thinking about looking at your object. You can call this one x, from the x direction, right? What picture are you going to get? You will see this thing here, right? You will see something looking like this. Okay, that's what I'm getting over there, right? Looking in that, from right to left, if you want. And obviously on the other side I will have the exact replica of this side here, right? So whatever the surface of this side will be, on the other side I will have it again. And we can see, because it's by units, each one of the square is 1 squared inch, right? Which means I have how many on this side? I have 7 square inches multiplied by 2, because I have the other part, right? And that gives me 14 square inches. Now I will try to approach the figure from this side, right? And if you look at this side, although you see only this part here, I can add to that these 2 unit squares from that side, because if I'm going to look only from this left to right direction, all I'm going to see will be basically, 6 units like. And if this is confusing, let's make it better, right? This is what you're going to see if you project, or if you're looking at your shape here from this perspective. That's all you're going to see. You're going to see 6 sides facing you, right? And you have one on this side, and you will have one on the other side that will pretty much have the same dimensions. And I'm talking about 6 squared units times 2, because I'm talking about the other side here, right? And that will give me 12 squared units. Now I have one more approach, right? I have to think about the z-axis, or the vertical projection of my shape here. If I'm looking from the above, all I will be able to see, or from the below, from the bottom, I will see 6 6 units squared on each side, right? I mean, these are the surfaces that I'm facing, and this will make 6 units squared times 2, that will be 12. And all you have to do now is to add all these surfaces together, right? And I have 12 plus 12 plus 14 and that equals 38 square inches. This is going to be the surface area of the given shape by my approach. I mean, obviously you can try it in your way, and I have no doubt that you will be able to solve it. This is it for now. You guys take care, and I will see you next time.